Hi, welcome back. In this part, we'll try to work on more detailed textures like bump maps and normal maps, and maybe extend it to the specular maps. If you check this model, the texture, in the previous tutorial, I just showed you how to work on its designs and all the stuff. What I did was that I added some more details here, okay, and some here. Nothing else more. If I go back to Photoshop, this is my normal texture layer, which we did it. Now we'll continue using it. If you check here, everything is in separate layers. So better, I'll create one group, add everything in this group, rename it the group. Generally we apply this into color. Now we'll create one more group. We'll name it as bump. That's what we'll do it now. For bump, what do we need? Let's switch off everything. Now I don't need base colors. I don't need the textures. I don't even shade. Yes, I need these designs. So what I will do is that I'll drag on top of a duplicate thing, so I get one more copy. Then drag and dump it in bump. So now you can switch off the color. Now the new layer which was created is in bump. Okay, double check this one. I'll name it as bump layer. Okay, now select the last layer, create one new layer, push it down. Okay, now the layer 1 is back. I'll change it as PG. And why I created this layer? If I switch off my layout, it's transparent. So I'll go for this layer, BG, edit, fill it with black. Good. Oh, where are my designs? Nothing. As we just copied this one, if you check here, everything is soft light. Change it to normal. If you change it to normal, you could gradually start seeing here. Come back here. Normal 1, normal 2, normal the next one, one more, right, no, okay, let's take this one and this one. I'll merge this layers. Now this is one layer, these two are one more. Okay, that's it. Now, do you think this we need a bump for this one? No. I'll turn off these two things, or else I'll delete this one and this one. So these are all the things which I need to bump. Okay, I'm happy with it now. What I will do is I'll go to File, Save As. You can save this PSD also, but as we are going to apply as a bump map, I'll save as. I'll go for JPEG. Add texture. I'll just add bump. Okay, right now we are converting into bump map. Bump map works on white and black textures. So go back to Maya, Control A, attributor. In bump map, click on the checker box. file, click on this bump value icon here, this one, so that you can go to the file, open the file, texture bump. Okay, if you can't see this texture, click here. That's it. It has to refresh it. Now what I'll do, I can go here. You can switch on high quality rendering or viewport. It takes some time. Can you see now? Your bump. Does it look good? What you can do is that you can go back here. If you click on this icon, you can go back to the bump. Right now the value is 1. You can change it to 0.5 to decrease it. Right? That's right. I like it, but there's still something is missing. Can you see it, the button? It's totally flat. We need some effect here. So what I'll do, I'll just go back to Photoshop. In color, if you go to the texture maps, we got this texture maps, wooden texture. Copy it so that you can drag this into the bump layer. Now come back to this here. Like that. It's in multiply mode, change it to normal. That's perfect. Now with the wooden texture selected, go to image, adjustments, hue and saturation. Just saturate it. Now it's a bit black and white. That's good. Now go to file, save as. It's a JPEG, and you know it's a texture bar. So go back here, reload. Okay, if you like it, you can leave it, or else what you can do is, I want a little bit less intensity, a little bit of subtle bump. So what I'll do is I'll just go back, still selected this layer, go to the image, adjustments, levels. You can use levels and curves. I'll go for curves, levels. Okay, can you see me? I'm changing this here. I want more white and all that stuff. A little bit. Okay. File, save as. JPEG. Minimize it. Go back to Maya, bump. Oh, this looks a little bit okay. Okay. If you still want to work on it, you can just select this. Still with this layer selected, you can go to File, Image, Adjustments, work on some curves. Okay. Or else work on a little bit of intensity. Okay, I'll go for some 40. 5. Save as. JPEG. Okay. Come back to Maya. Reload. Little bit subtle. Okay. Now this is bump map, but generally we prefer using a normal map. So how to convert these maps into normal maps and apply into Maya, and let's check out the difference in the result. Okay, now file, open. I'll open this texture one file. Okay, I'll open this file. I won't be working on this PST network, I'm working on the bump now. With this image selected, filter, NVIDIA tools, normal map filter. You can find this filter, it's in NVIDIA Photoshop, sorry, plugin here, NVIDIA Photoshop plugin. Download this plugin and install it. It's very good for you to create a normal maps in Photoshop. So can you see here? You can download it and install it. So go back here, filter, NVIDIA normal map filter. Can you see here? Very small things. I just change it to the scale value to 60. That's it. Other than that, everything is default. Click on OK. Now you can see some good decent results. So I'll just save this as saved as normal map. Right? Come back to Photoshop. Sorry, mine. In here, load that normal map. Okay, load that normal map. Is it this one? But we saved it. I'll just add some tag to it because I was just trying something. It's fine. Okay. Once you apply as a normal map, there's one thing you need to work on it, because you should click on this icon so that you can go to the bump node, because we are using as a normal map. That's not a bump map. So click on here, change it to tangent space normals. Okay, you need to change it and see the result here. Is it clean? I hope you saw the difference. I click on bump. This is what we were seeing previously. Okay, everything Charlie, yeah. Just change the tangent space. Little subtle bump, clean. Sorry, excuse me. Can you see the difference? You can see some good decent bump here. So we are using normal maps. Now if you come back here, let's see, in Maya, I do want a little bit more depth. Okay, let's go for, I want more depth. It can be done in couple of ways. So double click here. You should never leave as background, because that's, I'll change it always in a minute. Once it is done, I'll duplicate this one. So say copy, change it to overlay, duplicated one as an overlay. Can you see the difference? Suddenly it's a bit more sharp. What I'll do is I'll just add some blur effects. You can work on a lot. Okay, I'll just go for a little bit of blur, some Gaussian blur, little bit of blur. Okay, now I'll duplicate one more copy. Can you see the difference now? One more. Yeah, it's enough for me. Save as JPEG, and it's just no fine. Okay, come back to Maya. reload it. Okay, now it's a little bit more clean compared to the one which we did previously. Okay. Right. Now we'd like to work on the specular maps. So what I'll do is I'll try to record in next tutorial how to create the specular maps and move forward. Thank you. Bye. See ya.